I'm telling you, this is gonna be so cute. This is basically a 2-for-1. The recipe and the little cute decor for tables. I am so obsessed with this. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need. Of course, eggs. I'm gonna go hop in the fridge and get those. Vinegar, salt, paprika, yellow mustard, pepper. I know a lot of people use dill relish, but sweet relish is where it's at, I promise you. And mayo. This is the dye that I'm gonna be using, and I grabbed a few cups. You can make the deviled eggs without the dye, but because this is Easter theme, this really is gonna really help you pop it off. I'm telling you, this is gonna be so cute. I got a box of eggs. I'm not gonna make this much because only a few people in the house eat them here, and this is just for the sake of showing you how to do it. I'm gonna make enough to make a really cute display, okay? So the first step is to boil your eggs as usual. The price of eggs right now is crazy. Just pop the eggs in there. Like, oh no! Oh no! Eggs are too expensive for me to be doing this. Like, don't tell my husband. I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna finish putting the eggs in because I can't afford losing no more babies. Hey Google, set a 12-minute timer.
12 minutes, and we're starting now.
Okay, so the timer just went off. I heard that the best way to peel an egg is to get a glass bowl with a top and put a little bit of water on it and shake it while the egg is inside. I've tried it before and it worked really well for me. One of my eggs, pour some water in there, just a little bit. Put the top on it, let the egg hit the walls of the container. Open it, and it should be easier to peel. Look at this egg. Look how easy. Smoother than a baby's bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel and cut all the eggs, and once that's done, I'll show you how to dye them. Grab my eggs and plop the filling out. Now that your egg yolks are in, you're going to get some mayo, and I'm sorry, I do not measure. I just go until my heart tells me to stop. Grab a dash of vinegar, just a tad bit. Beep. A tiny bit of salt. Okay, a little bit of mustard in there. Like I said, you need some sweet relish. Pop that in there. Just gonna add some pepper. And then just smash and mix everything together. You can use a plastic bag to help funnel them into your eggs. I'm gonna just scoop them in today. I'm not trying to be super fancy. All you have to do now is rinse out your egg whites and you can fill it in. If you were making regular deviled eggs, just do that and add a dash of paprika on top and you're done. But we're gonna take it a step further because these are Easter deviled eggs. So you need as many cups as you have dye. Pink, got green, a cap full of vinegar in each cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hot water in each. I'm gonna mix. Look at that. So now you're gonna take your egg whites and plop them into each of your colors. Just let them sit for a little bit. Hey Google, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, and that's starting now.
We can take the eggs out of the dye now. This is the moment of truth. Let me show you what they look like right now. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I'm gonna just grab some of my filling, put it in the egg, and I think they're still cute. Look at that. Wish the purple would have stuck more. The orange and the green are probably my favorite. Yes. Now I'm gonna transfer this onto a plate and make it look even cuter. And I'm gonna sprinkle some paprika on it. So this is the final result. Like I said, so fitting for Easter. When you make a whole bunch and you do them really neatly, it'll turn out so nice. And it's the perfect display for your table as an appetizer. Everyone is gonna be like, okay, you did it, because you sure did. If you want to see more recipes, DIYs, cleaning, art, and more, just follow me. Let me know what you think about this in the comments too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.